So plants need sunlight, air, and water to grow. Without sunlight, they become weak and cannot survive. Aarvi sounds like a science robot. I'm just explaining the lesson. Lily, stop interrupting. Let her cook. What? Man, Aarvi's not cooking anything. Lily, let her cook is an English slang phrase. It means let her continue because she's doing well. Oh, so it means don't interrupt her while she's speaking? Exactly. I'm explaining it clearly and confidently. Well, good. Go ahead, Aarvi. Thanks. Now listen carefully. Lily, let's go for window shopping. Window shopping? Means we will go inside from the window? No, Lily. Looking at items without buying is called window shopping. Okay, that's called window shopping. Yes, you're right. You know what? Can we purchase online? You mean e-commerce? E-commerce? I'm not gonna study. Buying and selling goods online is called e-commerce. I understood. Today, I learned window shopping and e-commerce. Let's select some clothes online.